how to actually achieve your goals in 2026. तो पता है majority of the people they fail to achieve their New Year resolutions not because they're lazy but because they don't know the three-part framework which I'm going to talk about in this video. एक statistic है कि जो भी लोग New Year पे जिम जाना शुरू करता है by April more than 50% of the people have already quit the gym. मतलब बस 3 महीने हुए हैं and already more than 50% of the people have quit the gym. Hi, if you guys are new here to this channel, my name is Abuzar. I'm a first year medical student. I'm trying to manage college, gym and content creation to achieve my unrealistic dreams. So without wasting your time, let's talk about this 3-part framework where I'll tell you how you can achieve your goals in 2026. Okay, so the first and most important thing is patience. There is a saying that we underestimate what we can do in 1 year and overestimate what we can do in 1 day. जब भी न्यू ईयर स्टार्ट होता है मैं जिम का एग्जांपल ले रहा हूँ वापस से, तो लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि भाई आज तो लाइक 1 जनवरी आई एम गोइंग टू गो टू द जिम फॉर 4 hours, ठीक है, और मैं पूरे हफ्ते आई एम गोइंग टू गो टू द जिम एवरी डे, और फिर एंड में क्या होता है आफ्टर 1 week दे कैन नॉट इवन मूव देयर बॉडी एंड दे बर्न आउट और फिर दे ऑब्वियसली क्विट एंड ये साइकिल रिपीट होती है. कंपेयर दिस टू द पर्सन जो मे बी सिर्फ 30 minutes वर्कआउट कर रहा है. ही इज नॉट इवन गोइंग टू द जिम एवरी डे, ही इज जस्ट going to the gym 3-4 times a week. He's building that habit, ठीक है, he's playing the long game, and by the end of this year, by the end of 2026, who do you think will have a better body? पहला बंदा जो रोज 4 घंटे जिम गया था for 1 week, or this other guy who went to the gym 3-4 times a week for 1 year. I can tell you ये जो second बंदा है जो सिर्फ 3 से 4 बार जिम गया था every week for 1 year, he is going to look completely different, ठीक है. और patience, I know it sounds kind of negative that it's going to take a lot of time for you to achieve your goals, but think of it positively. तुम्हारा गोल इतना बड़ा है that it's going to take you a lot of time to achieve it. अगर तुम्हारा गोल छोटा होता then obviously you would have achieved it in like 1 week or something, but तुम्हारा गोल इतना बड़ा है, you know, it's not easy to achieve it, that's why it's going to take a long time. और जो majority of the लोग हैं who are trying to achieve this goal, majority of those people वो quit कर देंगे क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा time लग रहा है. And you know, it becomes kind of easy for you to achieve your goal अगर you stick around for a long time. That's why patience is actually your secret weapon. क्योंकि majority of the लोग को क्या लगेगा, अरे यार डायरेक्ट रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ रहे, you know, let's quit this thing, let's try something else. ठीक है, मेरा तो ये गोल था भी नहीं initially, let's try something else. But you are going to play the long game and you are eventually going to win. Second thing is set systems, not goals. अब मुझे पता है तुम लोगों ने ये चीज़ 100 बार सुन ली होगी इंटरनेट पे कि bro set systems not goals, ठीक है, but I'm going to tell you what it actually means. देखो, set systems not goals इसका मतलब है क्या एक्चुअल लाइफ में. See, अगर मैं अपने गोल बनाऊँ कि by the end of 2026 I want to achieve 1 lakh subscribers, that is not in my control. I cannot control how many subscribers I gain. I can only control the system, which is to upload a YouTube video 2 times a week. Your goals are a byproduct of your system. If you have shitty systems, you cannot achieve your goals. If I promise myself that I will upload a YouTube video 2 times a week, but instead I upload a video like, you know, once every 3 months, then obviously it will be very difficult for me to achieve my goals because my systems are not intact. If I have shit systems, I'm not going to achieve my goals. It's as simple as that. And also, if you just think about achieving your goals, it kind of becomes like very negative. You would not even feel like working towards your goals because your mind is so goal oriented that if you don't see the immediate result, you're going to like crash out and instead try to enjoy the process. The person who enjoys going to the gym will go to the gym for a longer period of time compared to the person who just wants to achieve a good body. The third and final step is reward yourself. ये जो भी self improvement की journey है, whichever goals you want to achieve, तुम्हें इसमें एकदम instantaneously तुम्हें तुम्हारे rewards नहीं मिलेंगे. You will have to work yourself, और एक point आएगा where you would question yourself कि am I even going in the right direction, because ये एक exponential curve है where for a long period of time तुम hard work put in करोगे, you're not going to see success, and that's where it's very important to reward yourself. You know, set mini goals, एकदम छोटे छोटे goals बनाओ, and whenever you achieve that small goal, reward yourself a bit. Then whenever you achieve your next small goal, reward yourself a bit, because it's going to be a very long journey. ठीक है, पूरा 1 साल का तुम्हारा न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन होने वाला है, and मैं कह सकता हूँ कि एटलीस्ट फॉर लाइक फर्स्ट 6 to 8 months you are going to achieve like peanut results. ठीक है, तुम्हें mostly कोई result नहीं मिलेगा. That's why you have to like kind of toughen yourself up. कोई रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा, you should still reward yourself. जो भी छोटा सा तुमने एक next goal achieve किया, reward yourself for that. Your goals are not supposed to be like a prison, they are supposed to make you free. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and as always, believe in yourself. Bye bye.